Hello everybody and welcome back to, well now it just got better, but just a couple minutes ago it was windy and cloudy. And so what are you gonna do on these days if you want to go bass fishing or whatever? You know what you can do? You can go bluegill fishing. Right here we've got a hot dog. Oh look, here comes that wind. Right here we've got a hot dog with a bun. I'm going to teach you how to use bread and a normal hot dog to fish for bluegills. So first up, we're going to start with the hot dog. Let me show you what I'm using. We're using a little 6-pound tire line with a little bobber with a little popping cork, and then a very tiny little hook. It's probably about the size of my fingernail. So you want to rip off just a little chunk, fold it in half so that it stays very thick, so that it stays on the hook. Now you just find your hunting hole for bluegill. And you just get right on in there. Make sure you've got about a foot down worth of line so that it can sink but it can stay up. And then you just wait. Now, one thing I've noticed, well, this hot dog, what I'm using right now for this hot dog, is the same thing will work for anything like corn and any other crappie or bluegill bait. And then the bread I'm about to use will work with any dough or moldy objects that you might use for fishing. Oh, dang it, he fell off. Yep, he got my bait. Okay. We're gonna get back in there with the hot dog. Way too small. This is all it took in one cut, so you might want to skip to the fish catching part. Because I'm too lazy to edit. Okay guys, we're actually gonna have a change of plan. I'm gonna switch my spot. I'll be back right in a minute. Okay guys, as you can see, it's getting muggy out. It's getting muggy out here. And so there's some kids taking up my spot at a different pond right now. And so I'd moved to my third and final spot. And let's hope they're producing. I'm gonna start off with using the bread. So what you wanna do with this is you wanna harden it. You wanna put it all together, get kind of big because it starts to it gets smaller as you harden it. Then you just place it on your hook, nice and good, so it's not gonna fall off. It's kind of hard. You almost gotta mold it onto the hook. And then now let's hope spot 3 produces. Well, we don't have bait, but I hope you guys get the point with this tactic with the bread. But normally, if you are able to get it, then that will work. But right now, I'm not that good at putting the bread on correctly, so I'm gonna stick with the hot dog right now. Hope it stays on. Another thing about this is that on this rig that I'm using exactly right now, in this exact spot, I have caught bluegill, catfish, golden shiner, and other different kinds of sunfish. Oh, dang it. Okay, guys, just had our first bite. We're gonna get him this time. This is the spot where we're gonna get him. Got him. There's our first fish, just a little bluegill. It's beginning to sprinkle. And that's our first fish. Let's see if we can get one more before we start getting wet. No, it's too late. Stay tuned for part 2 of this coming soon.